Good morning, my kids. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Start with the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today is Thursday. Months of the year are 12. Here, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. 28 January 2021. Seasons: autumn season, winter season, spring season, and summer season. We in winter season. Now look outside. The weather is cloudy and rainy.